Hey everybody, we're out here at Desert Rat copying crawlers this morning.
Yeah, we're out here looking at a lot of off-road Jeeps, Toyotas, Land Cruisers. We have everything out here.
Yeah, lots of really pretty rigs out here, so it's a great morning. We got some coffee thanks to them.
We got our crawlers. Brought Ansel and Adams out to join the party, so they're out here as well as a lot of Jeeps and other cars. So we went inside, toured Desert Rat and their facility and what they have to offer, so it's a pretty cool place.
Yeah, so we got some video of us walking around some of the rigs, so hope you enjoy what we got.
Yeah, then come along with us and take a look.
Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away.
This bag is perfect for Mary. All the shoes she carries in her Jeep, this would be perfect to hang up. Wouldn't it, Mary?
Absolutely.
Get away. Running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away. Running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. To be home, where